In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly combine images using GIMP. Whether you're looking to create a stunning collage or perhaps need to replace backgrounds, GIMP offers a powerful suite of tools to help you achieve these goals. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open your GIMP application. If you're not familiar with GIMP, it's a free and open source image editor that you can easily download online. Once you've fired up GIMP, you'll find yourself on the main screen, which might look a bit overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we'll break it down. The tool we'll be using today is the free Select tool. In GIMP, this tool is often referred to as the lasso tool, and it allows you to manually select areas of your image with precision. You simply click on the tool in the toolbar, which typically appears on the left side of your screen. Carefully use this tool to trace the specific part of the image that you want to insert into another image. This might take some time, especially if you're working with intricate edges, so patience is key here. Once you've made your selection, it's time to refine it. Navigate to the top menu and select the Select option. In this drop-down, you'll want to click Invert. This action will flip your selection, targeting everything outside of the part of the image you want to keep. With this inverted selection, hit Ctrl+X on your keyboard, which will cut out your background, leaving just the selected portion. This cropped image is now ready to be exported for use in your main project. Now let's move on to the final assembly. Open the main image you're working with in GIMP by going to File and then selecting Open. With your main image on screen, you'll want to bring in the cropped image as a new layer. To do this, head back to the File menu, click Open as Layers, and choose the image you just exported. And just like that, the image is inserted as a new layer over your main image. You've now successfully combined the images. Depending on your creative vision, you can move and transform the new layer using the Move tool to get the perfect composition. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use GIMP, the more comfortable you'll become with its plethora of features. This technique is great not just for artistic creations, but also for practical applications like product images, content creation, or even posters. So take your time to explore the tools GIMP offers, experiment with different selections, and soon you'll be creating visually stunning compositions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.